Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium one package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Media display. This one does come up with the multimedia package with navigation. Dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, agility for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 52,122 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.